everyone, it's me, Davai, and today I invite you to a journey into the Gun-Vue universe where we can not only use something but build something with it. And we can just start building with the tools already there. And let's start exploring. What is Gun-Vue? It's a reactive, very fast and robust connection of Gun and Vue. Crypto means we use the C cryptography that's powered with Gun.js, so we use decentralized cryptography with key pairs and hashes, and we build graphs of data with it in web apps, so we don't need a third party to publish our apps. We all have a possibility to host it out of our devices, uh, and publish it to instantly to the world. And it's a toolbox, so you can create something with it. And yeah, these are pluggable view composable APIs and also components APIs. So if you're into JavaScript and building your interfaces, you can use the composables just to have all the reactive juice out of the functions. So you can instantly have the account and manipulate it auth with a key pair, leave, and have all the parameters, and even post some profile changes. Yeah, display the profile, display these your components, and yeah, there is a plenty of these APIs, composable APIs. They're really useful, and we use them to go and yeah, let's turn it white, and yeah, build the next layer. But I want to show you that we have the automatically generated documentation at Gun-Vue just composables docs, and then you can just go here, and here we have all the things that we need. For example, we have the interface to upload and download pictures, uh, just right there. We have all the tools to generate certificates, for example, and we know that we will have the string that will be the certificate, and here we have this cert options, the parameters that we will need to use, and they are all these documentations is completely in sync with the code. It's built right with the code, so you can go to user interfaces and see how a user interface is structured and what you can do with it, because yeah, there is a pair method, and I will add text to all these, and it's like this example is written just in the code, so it's completely in sync with the code. Yeah, I'm kind of proud of that. So it's the new documentation. So we can, if we go to gunvuejs.org, we come to the demo app for now. So documentation, you can go to composables. Here is the composables documentation, and here is the components documentation. So what it is, it's a histoire to be correct, project that shows us all the all the components that are shared by the Gun-Vue. So for example, you can have a user displayed with this avatar, and you can just generate a key pair and have this code here, so you can use it in your project. And what it is to use a code in your project, what it is a project, so I can show you just right now. So we cannot build the whole application in one go like this, and this is a big Vue app, but we can start building our own apps. So you can go to stackblitz.com. That's a universal place to instantly start building web apps. Yeah, and we choose Vue 3 JavaScript. Yeah, so just from the beginning, there's empty project. It's default. It's just working. There are not too many things here to look at. So we have an app. I don't like this line. I like import create app from Vue. I like this ES modules approach, and yeah, it will be just the same. So we import create app and mount it and mount this Vue file to the you know the basic HTML file that's created by Vue. Yeah. So all we need is to add a package Gun-Vue components, and the version should be 0.12.9 just by this time, and we instantly have this dependency installed. It may take some time, but it won't be too long to wait. At that time, we can just go and remove the hello world view from here. We don't need that hello world component anymore. So we even don't need these components folder. Yeah, we have all of those components in our hands because of Gun-Vue components. So we have it installed. We don't have any errors, I suppose. Yeah, so should be cool. And let's go to the documentation. So we go to the components section. So this is the components, and yeah, we can import just one by one, but we can also use the plugin. Yes, so Gun-Vue plugin is very useful thing. So we take these two lines, others we don't need, and this we will do. So we import two important things: styles and also the plugin. And then here we will say use and this plugin. Yes, use this plugin, so it will be there. Yes, so the app still works. Let's put here just a div to show us just something. So we're at the page, we know that this is something, and now the fun thing starts. So we're back to the components, and we liked that avatar. Let's generate this one, make the border bigger and the size like this, and no border at all. Okay, and we just copy this code and go here and paste it. Okay, so now we have this avatar displayed right there, and yeah, we can just change anything about the code right there, but yeah, we don't need, we can go much further. For now, I don't have everything documented. It's just huge work to do. But yeah, you can go to user icon, I believe. Yeah, so this is quite a messy thing now, but you press it, there's a menu, you log in with your keys, and there's something to do. But yeah, let's play with it right there in our fresh app with that many data. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, so here's the HTML file that will be mounted. So let's say it's our Gun-Vue. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, something is there, and we can go to user icon, put it here. Yeah, so we have all the thing that we need to log in. With our key pair floaty is logged in, and this session will persist even if I let's name the project, so gv test is here. So now I can even reload the whole page. Yeah, it's quite crazy. Yeah, the whole app reloads. Everything is building from ground up. But yeah, something is there, and and I've lost that user icon here. But yeah, the session is still there. So what can we do about it? Let's try to and go to a chat room. Here we have the very clean and fresh installation. So let's open it in a separate window like this, and now we can start communicating. So I have a user here and a fresh new root room for this video. So I press hi, and I can allow notifications. Yeah, hi is there. So hello, ch allow. Okay, I allow notifications. Wow, it works. Yeah, so we have instantly a just general chat in that room, the default room, but you can use any room for that. So if you have a room, you can let's go to a chat room. Yes, so chat room has a topic. Yeah, so yeah, we should, if we want to change a room, we can go to I believe room list or room icon. Yeah, room icon. Let's check if we are in the same room icon. So there should be an icon, but maybe it's too small, maybe, or it's absolutely positioned. But okay, that's not a big problem. Yeah, room button. Oh, wow, room button. Yeah. So here we have the room that we are in, and yes, we can create a room here, generate, and call it like meeting room, and add it. So yeah, I instantly downloaded a key for it, so I'm sure that it's there if I need it later. Yeah, meeting room, and here I can enter it and be inside, and again, it's so fresh and new. But now we can go and yeah, when we are here, we have this pub key. Yes, so this pub key can be used to yeah, so we don't need it. We can go to room list. Yes, and here we have this meeting room. But the routing is off. So I'm just throwing out these components, and I'm just trying to, navigate the graph that we created. But yeah, let's be a little easier on that, and just imagine this thing. So here I can create a topic like weather, and I can publicly talk here. So the weather is good. Yeah, and we can just use the chat room, say that topic is weather. Yeah, and weather. Let's refresh. Oh, and I've lost changes. No, weather. The weather is different. Yeah, because I'm in the meeting room. Yes, so I leave this page. Yes, go to here, and now the magic part. So there is a discussion already. So that oh, sorry, that is about weather is fine. So I can just save it. Yeah, share the application URL with anyone. Let's take just sorry. Let's grab just another browser, completely another browser, and we go to this page and we run it. So yeah, we are there, and the weather is fine. Yes, and the notifications are there. So imagine you having published your application build of these components just instantly. So we can talk about weather. So I can log in here with my key pair. Oh, come on. I cannot move it. Okay. So it's floaty key pair. And or no, let's I can not what if I don't have any? So I can create a fun new fresh account, fresh key pair, authenticate with it, have my city set to New York, and this will be portable, and this will be available in other applications, and say the weather in New York is good too. Yeah, so we instantly have this information here. And I don't want to go deep into the decentralized nature of Gun and Gun-Vue project, but yeah, you can create your own rooms, your own topics, so you can just get lost in all these graphs that are building up in your browser, in your local database, and this state is shared with other browsers, just only peer-to-peer through these relays. So this is my just volunteer relay. It's not very powerful, but they're really interchangeable, and yeah, for now we don't have any volunteer peers. They're maybe online, or there are some errors about it. Yeah, so we cannot have I suppose I should fix something for it to work in Safari, but yeah, you can just grab your relay and set a relay right there. So let's check it. So if we have the docs, Maybe not, but I think it's okay. Um, yeah, maybe it's tools, util, relay. Yes, util relay. So with this button, and you can control your relay. So this is the relay. We can post it here. Yes, and change the relay. So this app uh, will be running through your maybe local relay, or running on your phone, or router, or local provider. So it may be as decentralized as you wanna build it, and you can just build with these one-off applications for the purpose. Just have it posted somewhere with something in the title, just, I don't know, some booking, some publishing, and yeah, with all these immutable hashed posts, you can create really, really interesting things, and we can explore it more later. And it's so much more to build, and I have documented only just maybe a third of all the features that are there, and it's a huge open source application, and anyone can just jump into code and start exploring it and helping building us this amazing project. And I think that in a short time, the time for these kind of applications is coming. So let's play the web as it was supposed to be, like very portable, fun, and really easy to build by anyone. Yeah, so I welcome you to Gun-Vue, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.